organic infrastructure on how the earth and water should move within the earth. If you just take a look at our human body and our heart, okay, and what does our heart do? It pumps it around our body. Okay, so if we can apply that same kind of visual perception to the earth and see how something has been placed outside of earth to control its waters when it should be earth's core with the sun. Okay, there's a whole conversation here with the sun as well. However, okay, people will always say that the moon affects them, you know, and we know this. I mean, it's why most people follow the moon anyway, is because people follow the moon because they wake up to how the moon affects them, and then they live in cycle with the moon. Okay, done it, been there. Have all of the t-shirts and have gotten them all signed thousands of times. What I see a lot of conversations of around the moon is, especially in this context of like the moon matrix and stepping out of moon work and stepping out of that magic work and really beginning to learn how the moon controls you particularly. Okay, when we are in spirituality, and I know I did this and I see a lot of people doing this, is when I was in spirituality, in that concept of spirituality and moon work and following the moon, I would like literally use the moon as my cycle, and I would look at the energetics of the moon as if it was my cycle, until I found out obviously about the moon matrix, and then found Skystrology and sidereal astrology, and very quickly learned that the moon, in essence, while all of those things are true about the moon, that's not feminine, and all of those things I spoke about in my live yesterday and I've spoken about in my moon matrix videos, okay, what is also true is that it is not where we are told that it is. So for example, tonight or tomorrow, whatever it looks like, it's tonight, the full moon, all I see is full moon in Virgo. Okay, and if you're following the moon and you're following astrology, and you can tell that is a serious, like in Ireland, basically, all I'm seeing today is divine feminine worship of the full moon in Virgo. And I'm like, the moon's in Leo. The moon's not even in Virgo, it's in Leo. And I'm like, ooh, okay. What I wanted to talk about today, because that is so relevant, okay, this is